Do you want to study smarter, not harder? Science shows there are simple ways to learn faster and remember longer. Here are the 9 best scientific study tips. Tips 1: Active recall. Don't just read your notes again and again. Close the book and test yourself. When you try to remember, your brain becomes stronger. Tip 2: Spaced repetition. Study the same topics again after short gaps. Revise after 1 day, then 3 days, then 1 week. This method locks information into long term memory. Tip 3: Write it down. Writing by hand helps your brain understand better. Short notes are more powerful than long pages. Tip 4: Teach someone. Explain the topics to a friend or even to yourself. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Tip 5: Short study sessions. Study for 25 to 30 minutes only, then take a short break. This keeps your focus sharp. Tip 6: Remove distractions. Keep your phone away, turn off notifications. A focused mind learn faster. Tip 7: Mix your subjects. Don't study one subject for hours. Mix different topics. This improves problem solving skills. Tip 8: Sleep well. Sleep is not wasted time. Your brain stores memories while you sleep. Good sleep means better learning. Tip 9: Eat healthy and move. Healthy foods and light exercise improve brain power. A healthy body creates a sharp mind. Remember, studying smarter is better than studying harder. Follow these scientific tips and improve your result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.